A recent explosion in South Korea has left the nation in shock. It occurred in a bustling district where a gas leak ignited, causing significant damage and injuries. First responders rushed to the scene, battling flames and ensuring the safety of residents. Eyewitnesses described the terrifying moment as a loud bang echoed through the streets, shattering windows and sending debris flying. Authorities are investigating the cause, emphasizing the importance of safety measures in urban areas. This incident serves as a stark reminder of the potential dangers lurking in everyday life. Stay informed and stay safe.